Hey everyone, it's your girl Melanie, and I am here today with a very special guest. This is my niece Emma, and she thinks that I'm just the coolest thing since sliced bread, right?
Maybe.
Okay, whatever. I invited her over to do my makeup for us today, and she'll probably do a better job. Why don't you tell them about yourself?
My name is Emma, and I'm 8 years old, and I have 2 dogs at home.
And what do you do for a living, Emma?
I eat, I sleep, I drink stuff, so basically just human stuff.
All right, well, are we ready to get started on doing my makeup?
Yes. Yay! I don't know what to start with. I'm going to start with this foundation. It's Dream Satin Liquid.
Do whatever. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You do it. You do it.
I'm just going to put a little on here. I don't know really how much to put. And I guess I just do it.
Do what you got to do.
I'm very nervous.
It's fine.
Okay, so I may have put a little, not too much.
You want to cover up all those brown spots and wrinkles and redness.
So got the foundation done.
Let's take a look at how she did on my foundation. What do you think, you guys? Did she cover up all my spots? Honestly, if it was me, I probably would have caked that thing on my face, but she used a very light touch. All right, what's next?
I'm just gonna head in for like, maybe the funner stuff, like eyes and lips.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start with eyes. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow Collection.
Because you guys know I'm all about that cheap eyeshadow, right?
Yes, cheap eyeshadow is everything. I'm gonna grab a brush about this size. And then I'm gonna choose this one. A bright glittery pink.
Frosty!
I'm nervous. I don't want to poke you in the eye.
Hang on,
Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay.
Ooh, sparkly.
I think I'll do the blush next. So this is LA Girl eyeshadow. No, not eyeshadow. Blush palette. It looks pretty. Actually, first, I think I might use this brush. I think I might do this pinky color here.
Okay. Okay, what are you gonna do with that?
It's more of a like up here than
Okay.
a like down here like I used to. It's kind of just like all around.
Sweet. All right.
Oh, you could really see that. Ooh, but it's pretty.
Are you painting a picture on my face? What are you doing?
Maybe.
Oh, snap. Okay.
Ooh, that's pretty in pink.
Is this like to highlight my cheekbones or something?
Yes.
Okay. That's an interesting technique for applying blush. I've never seen that before. All right.
Next I'm gonna get into probably the best part of makeup, lipstick.
Just to let you guys know, I let Emma just go through all my makeup randomly and I let her pick out whatever she felt like picking out.
I think I might do this one. CoverGirl. It's one of, and it's like a pretty shimmery bronze pink.
We're going all frosty. Okay, here we go. What do you want me to do with my mouth?
Just like a... Ooh, that's pretty. It's all pink. That's beautiful.
Very frosty.
Okay. And then this was, I think, eyeshadow though.
Okay.
But I already did eyeshadow.
You can do more. You only did one color. You could do like 50 colors if you want.
This is the best day of my life.
So awesome.
I'm gonna use the other side of this brush because it has 2 sides.
Cool.
The smaller side. And then these are all of like the pretty colors.
And this is the, what is this called? Tartlet in Bloom is what this is called. You guys, I don't even know where I got this from.
No, we probably don't know where any of this is from. I think I might go with the color Sweetheart. It's this, one of the ones down here. This one.
Subtle.
It's a very subtle pink. I put a little powder on there. And I'm excited. So more of just a dash on top.
Did it drip?
just like a flutter of powder.
That happens.
So now it's kind of a more skin color, pretty, glittery pink.
What do you guys think? I think she's doing a pretty awesome job so far, right? It's pretty subtle, right? Kind of natural looking.
Next, we have lip liner. I'm excited for this one.
Okay.
This is the lip liner.
And you guys know this lip liner is cheap. It's probably was like 99 cents at CVS.
It kind of looks like a colored pencil, like one of those roll-up colored pencils, kind of like crayons.
Yeah, look how much she put out of the pencil too, you guys.
Here we go. So I think it goes like around the lip.
Yeah. So you probably want me to make my mouth, like stretch out my mouth like that? Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to choose a color that most matched. Oh no.
Did it break off?
No.
Oh. What'd she do? She's giggling over here. Oh, okay,
Yes.
so yeah. I think she overdid it a little bit, but I don't know. What do you think? It's all right. It's all right.
Oh, eyebrows. I totally forgot about eyebrows.
Yeah, you guys, I have no eyebrows, so eyebrows are like, I never leave the house without them. Although I make videos without them quite frequently, and I apologize for that.
I'm gonna use the smallest brush. This is one of the smallest brushes I got. And I'm just gonna... The brush is completely brown now.
I use this every single day. Maybelline New York. It's just eyeshadow. I use this for my eyebrows.
Maybelline New York is definitely a like.
Yes.
Definitely a like.
I love it. And it's cheap.
Yeah. Oh. This is amazing. Oh no, one of them is way more. Oh!
Oh. Sweet.
I think I might do one more thing. One more layer of eyeshadow. Alright, this time I'm going to use the brush that's included. This is the same palette I used earlier, the Wet n Wild one. I'm going to use this glittery blue right here.
Oh.
This is going to be amazing because you don't want too much pink.
Hey, oh, what do we have here? Is that a cut crease that you did? Oh my goodness. Okay. Nice. What is next?
We got some eyeliner and we got a mascara, which like a mascara stick. It looks like a stick. Well, it kind of looks like a giant tube of lipstick, but it's mascara, which I'm gonna try. And it's very exciting because both of these I've never tried and they're both on the eyes. So I'm gonna try not to poke you in the eyeballs.
Okay, well, I'm gonna trust you.
I don't know how this is gonna work. It's gonna look ridiculous because I don't really know how it works.
That definitely does not feel like it's going where it's supposed to go.
Okay.
Okay, I have not looked, you guys, so I have no idea where this is. All I know is I could feel where she was putting it, and I'm not sure that that's where it's supposed to go, but...
This is gonna be so hard. Oh my god. Oh my.
Is it not coming out?
No, it's just harder. Oh, it's coming out. Oh.
What are you doing?
So
This is definitely not where eyeliner is supposed to go. I'm scared to open my eyes. Did you what is this? Where did you see these videos of people putting on eyeliner? That's what I want to know.
I actually didn't watch any videos, so that's probably why it's that. Or mascara.
You did a really good job doing that, by the way. So, are you done?
I want to add one more thing.
Oh God.
I'm gonna try and make it the worst I can.
What shall I do with my face?
I want you to close your eyes just in case so you don't see it.
Oh God, okay. I'll be able to feel it, you know. Like, it's not even on my lips anymore.
This is the best thing I've ever done with makeup.
Is it the only thing you've ever done with makeup?
Maybe.
Oh no. What is she? Oh my god, I know that she's screwing up my face now. On purpose.
I'm just trying to make it look good and make your lips look fuller.
Sorry, I can't help it. I feel it on my chin and I'm just imagining what it looks like right now. Alright, you guys. I would like you to tell everybody, what do you call this look?
Called the tornado warning. Because it looks like a tornado hit your face.
I think.
It's like you had good makeup on and then it just...
Alright, you guys, what do you think of the job that Emma did on my face? Leave me a comment and let me know. And if you're interested in any of these products that she used today, I will try to find some links for you guys and put them in the description below. And you know me, they are all cheap. This is just something special that we're doing just for fun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see real product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. You may see Emma again on my channel sometime in the future. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye!